Hi everyone, this is Tim from Bullseye Digital Marketing. Welcome to episode number 5 of Business Chat. Today we're at Lacombe Dog Park in St. Albert. Spectacular. Great place to take your dog if you want to let him off and go crazy. You can see we even got some fishing going on here. So this is our very first time letting Lucy off her leash near the water. We're trying to see if she'll go in for a little swim, but she's still a little timid. Here he goes. Beautiful out today. Great dog park. The chase is on. All right, that concludes our day.